Hello, this is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a paper bleeding heart flower with cardstock paper. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. You could also find the supplies listed below along with a template to have this cut on your Silhouette, Cricut, or other cutting machines. I love using the Silhouette for small details because it's so much easier to gather all the pieces from the electrostatic mat and does not require a sticky mat where you have to peel each piece. I do have a discount code Sarah Kim and will be listed below as well. I'll be making a total of 11 of these hearts and 8 leaves, but you can make more or less depending on how full you want it to look. First, cut all the pieces for the flower on white cardstock paper, and for the wider piece you will need to color only one side in pink. You could do red, pink, purple, or even white. I've seen them in these colors. You only need to paint one side and it doesn't have to be clean looking. Then for the vertical piece, it will have a tip on the bottom and on the top, and I am taking a yellow marker and just slightly marking the middle of the tip. I saw that these flowers have a small yellow center. It's very subtle, so just a small mark. Then after all the pieces dry, fold in the sides with the inside being white and outside being pink. It should form into a heart, and then there are small tabs on the top of the heart. Fold them down. Then on the bottom side, there are small tabs that will stick out. Those will be folded over as well. Then open everything back and use this ball shaping tool and this mat that I'll be linking below and shape just the round top on all 4 round sides. Then take white glue and add glue on the tabs on the top and the tabs on the side of just the middle pieces. Then fold over the sides and glue it down. Try to keep the overall heart shape to curve out, so don't press down too hard when gluing, and hold down the bottom sides. I also use pliers, or you could use tweezers to hold these areas down that are small. Then shape the other vertical piece only on the heart shape area, both top and bottom. Then use 24 gauge floral wire and add into the hole on the vertical piece and bring the floral wire onto the tip and add white glue on the tip. I also added some hot glue in the middle that wasn't shown on this video. The hot glue should help keep the wire in place more quicker. Then add glue in the middle where you open the pink heart and tuck the white piece in the pink heart and bring over the other side as well. Again, make sure you are not flattening by holding it down. We do want some curve of the heart. Then bring the sides straight and use a plier or tweezer to bring the side curled out on both sides. Some of the pieces could just go straight. Those tend to be the smaller ones. They are like a bud, so they don't have to curve out on the bottom. And the bigger ones tend to have this tips curled out. Then add brown floral tape about 1 inch or 2 and fold over the flower to create a letter L. Continue this and make as many as you need. Then I have the leaves cut. They have a little paired oval of each leaf, and that's where we will add white glue and sandwich a floral wire that's also 24 gauge floral wire, and shape the leaf so it's not just straight, it's very random shape. Add more leaves if you are just making these, but if you are adding this into an arrangement, you don't need too many leaves. I added brown pan pastels on the leaves stems just to blend it in so that when I attach it to the brown branch, it could look somewhat blended. Then I wanted to show you how it looks in an arrangement. They are the perfect little detail as a filler flower in a bouquet, or just plant them by itself. Please like this video below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.